Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to create the project of WinCC Explorer and Simatic Manager by using the PLC S7-300 CPU 314C 2PN/DP. And then in this topic, I will highlight the short video that related to analog, how to use analog input and output module of this CPU. Actually, if we purchase the CPU 314C 2PN/DP, we will got the file of analog input. It means that 5 channel and 2 channel of analog output and 24 bits of digital input and also 16 bit for digital output. Okay, so in this topic we will focus on analog signal from this module. Yes, so the concept is we need to set the speed of the motor to the VFD, and we would like to show the feedback speed from the VFD, and we would like to show the temperature of the motor and also current of the motor. So all this part is must use the analog module to convert from the raw data to the actual, yes, to show on the WinCC Explorer SCADA. Okay, and we can also create the logic for start and stop the motor. Yes, and in this section I will explain and let everyone know how about to use the scaling FC105 and unscale. It is the FC105. It is the scale of analog input, and for the FC106, it is the unscale of analog output. It means that we can use FC105 to show the speed of the motor, current of the motor, and we need to use FC106 to use the set point frequency of the motor to the VFD. Okay, and we can learn about how to calculate the actual temperature that got from the AI file from this module. Yes, and one more topic that very important is how to wiring the terminal of this module. Yeah, this is all terminal is created for or connected with the analog signal. Yes, the default address is start from PIW 800 and earn is PIW 809. Yes, the last channel is RTD, and I will use the RTD calibrator for test in this video, and I will use the current loop testing for set the source the current to the module. Yes, to show the current of the motor and PV speed feedback from the VFD. Okay, and I will use multimeter select 2 milliamp to measure the analog output from the PLC. Okay, And I will use software WinCC Explorer for SCADA, yes, and Simatic Manager for the PLC. Okay, so I will show a little bit about how to do this feature. So first, let's open the Simatic Manager. I will open the project, yes. This is just highlight. I will show the full tutorial in the next video. So I will highlight for this project first. And then I will open the project that I already created. So first we need to create the hardware configuration. Yes. For hardware configuration, I create the rack. The first one, we need to create the rack. Yes, drag and drop from this to this. And then we need to insert the CPU. Yeah. 314C 2PN/DP from this place to this place. Yeah. After that, we can download, yes, the hardware configuration to the CPU. Okay, it detects one PLC and then we can download. Yes. And if we would like to edit the symbol, we can go to edit the symbol. Yes, that we would like to edit. Example, analog input and output. I already edit here. PIW 800 is feedback speed. PIW 802 is feedback current. Yes, and for set value of the speed motor, yeah, we can also define the symbol name and data type here. After that, we can go to OB1 blocks. And then we can go to library, standard library, TIS when converting blocks. And then scroll to find the FC105 here, drag and drop this one to this, and then we can read the parameter by push the F1 keyboard to read the instruction of this block. Yes, and we can do the same procedure of the current of the motor, and also for the convert temperature sensor, example, range from 0 to 150 degrees Celsius. So I will convert from integer to double integer and create the temporary variable here. Temp1, it is double integer, and I can put temp1 here, and then I will convert temp1 to real. Yes, so I will create one more temp2 for data type is real, and then divide by 10. I will got the actual temperature. Okay, and also for the analog output, I will use unscale. Yes, FC106, drag and drop here, and then I will put manual address from the WinCC. Yes, and here is rank from 0 to 50 Hertz. We can also push F1 to see the instruction. It has a formula, yeah, and we can read. And for the start and stop the motor, I create the sample project and sample logic to start and stop the motor from the WinCC Explorer. Okay. After that, we can download the logic, and then we can online. Yeah. So we already complete the logic and scale block, and then we can go to create the project on WinCC Explorer. So open the software WinCC Explorer, and then we can go to create the project. Yes, create the new project, and we will got the project here. And first we need to create the text management. It means that create the connection. The first one, we can go to add driver, new driver, and choose the Simatic S7-12. Simatic S7 protocol suite. Yes, and then go to TCP/IP because we use the IP address that connected with the PLC Profinet port. Yes, 192.168.0.1, and then we can go here and then choose the new connection and fill the connection parameter here, 192.168.0.1, and define the rack number here. It is the rack number, so I put 0, and slot number I put 2 here, and then OK. And we need to go here, go to the system parameter, and don't forget choose the unit and choose the network adapter that we connect from our computer to the PLC. Yes, and we need to create the text, follow the logic and the function here. So example, the feedback of the motor, I will use MD 100. So here feedback speed of the motor, I will use 100. Yes, MD 100 here. So we will follow the logic that we already created for the address here. And then we can go to create the graphic design. Go insert the new picture, and then we will got this screen, and we can open the screen. Okay. Okay, after open the screen, we can adjust the geometry, yeah, here to the side to got the side that we want. And then if we would like to insert the motor, we can go to here and then click here. We will got the motor. Yes, and we need to insert the start and stop of the bone of the motor here. We can insert from here, this button. And for set point speed, so the PV of speed of motor, motor temperature, current of the motor, we can go to IO field and then insert here. And we need put the take from the take that we already created on the take management here. Yes. We can do the same procedure and we will got like this. After that, we can go back to the WinCC and go to but in this step, don't forget save the screen after we complete the graphics, and then come back to WinCC and then go to right click on computer, go to property, go to property again, and don't forget select this screen, the screen 1 motor screen that we already created, and choose the option that we want here, and then we can go to activate the project of WinCC to run to test the screen that we already created with the PLC. Okay, so wait a moment for activate the project. After that, we will go like this. Right now we set speed 0 Hz to the VFD or to the multimeter, and here is the feedback from the analog module. Yes. So if we would like to start and stop the motor, we can also start and stop, or we can increase the multimeter, increase the RTD calibrator, and then we will show this value. Okay, so I will show the operation how to do it. So first we need to start and stop the motor, right? So I can push button start, push button stop, start again. Yes, the output is turned on. And then if I would like to set the frequency of the motor, example 20 Hertz. Yes, let's see the multimeter is vary, come from the analog output that I already connected the cable, yes, to the multimeter. So if I would like to put the 25 Hertz, I will got 12 milliamp. It is the half, right? And if I would like to put the 50 Hertz, I will got 20 milliamp. Yes. And for the signal of RTD and current and speed of the motor, I can adjust the current loop. Yes, if I decrease, let's see the value is decreased, I increase to 20 milliamp. Let's see the raw value is change until the maximum scale that we already set here. Yes, and for the temperature sensor, I will use RTD calibrator to adjust. Yeah, let's see 101 degrees Celsius. I decrease to 0. Yes, increase Yes. So this is the flow how to create the project by using the WinCC Explorer and Simatic Manager to create this project. So in the next video, I will show the full tutorial about how to create the full project of this video. So thank you very much for watching my video, and we will go to the next video for full tutorial. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much, and I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video to get more notification and more new video that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.